Are you constantly tired, no matter how much you sleep, what you eat, or how much coffee you drink? What if I told you the real reason you're exhausted has nothing to do with laziness, aging, or even stress? Stay with me, because today you're going to discover the hidden culprit behind modern fatigue and a breakthrough that could flip your energy switch back on. We live in a hyper-connected world. Phones, fast food, caffeine on demand, and yet more people are running on empty than ever. You might feel drained halfway through the day, foggy, irritable, struggling to focus, or even get out of bed. Doctors might say it's just stress or part of aging, but deep down you know something's off. And you're right, something is off. Because fatigue isn't just about what's happening outside your body, it's about what's happening inside your cells. Inside every single one of your cells are tiny engines called mitochondria. These microscopic powerhouses take the food you eat and the oxygen you breathe and turn it into pure energy. But here's the problem. Modern life is wrecking your mitochondria. Processed foods, environmental toxins, chronic stress, even blue light from screens. All of it damages these energy factories, slows them down, and leaves you feeling like a battery stuck on 10%. And when your mitochondria are underpowered, everything suffers. From your brain to your body, your mood to your motivation. So, how do you fix this at the root? It's not about energy drinks or sleeping 10 hours. That's just surface level. You've got to rebuild your mitochondria from the inside out. And that's exactly where the breakthrough supplement Mitochondria comes in. Mitochondria is designed to fuel your mitochondria with what they really need: CoQ10, PQQ, NAD plus precursors, and advanced antioxidants. These are clinically backed ingredients that help recharge cellular energy, reduce fatigue, improve mental clarity, and support heart and brain health. Thousands of people are already using it to ditch the afternoon crashes and feel truly alive again. If you're tired of being tired, and you want a real solution, not a quick fix, I highly recommend checking it out. You'll find the link in the pinned comment and in the video description below. And yes, I may earn a small commission if you decide to try it, but at no extra cost to you. It's how I keep making content like this. If this opened your eyes to what's really going on with your energy, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep health tips like this. In the next video, we're diving into how to stay energized as you age, and one thing you should avoid that's killing your cells faster than you think. Until then, protect your energy, protect your health, and take care of your mitochondria.